video for me and none of my sponsors. Before I forget, I have 935 subscribers, and I would like to thank every freaking one of you for subscribing. It's so awesome to actually get subscribers who are interested in my crazy ass channel, which is full of coughing and me doing stuff. Anyway, what this video is about. This video is after, I'm recording this after the previous video I just did of things in the wall. You can go look around, you'll find this video somewhere. I took the Dewalt batteries and I put them on the wall to hold my tools, old 18 volt. So now this video is about the aftermath of taking them apart, which I'll show you. See, I have first thing I have to do is find a place that recycles these things, because I have two of them. I have two of these, and I would like to take them apart. I don't know what the hell to do with them. I'm thinking first I should just, I don't know, lock this off maybe? I don't really. Is there a spark in there? Did I see a spark in there? Let me check. Yeah. There's juice in there. So anyway, we know there's some type of current going through them. I don't really care. I just don't want the batteries anymore. But in an effort to recycle, I don't know, I'm gonna try to take this all apart. I don't want them all put together in series anymore. I want them taken apart. Oop, I'm gonna stab myself in the hand. Why am I taking them apart? Because I like taking shit apart. Right? Why not? Why not? I'll recycle them all. I'm not going to take the batteries apart. I don't want to know what the hell's inside. I just want to take the individually apart. Because, one, I don't want them... I don't really feel like having... even though they're old, one thing I always worry about is battery fires. Maybe I'm overworked. I know these are pretty... These old... What are they? NiCad, I think? Nickel cadmium batteries are pretty tough cookies. I know that. You know what? I give up. Ooh, look at that. There we go. Woohoo. Take them all apart here. Maybe I can pop this part. So anyway, that wasn't what this video. It wasn't what this video was supposed to be about. But these look like little M80s. But part of my channel is about destroying things, so yeah. Oh, come on. Must be a way to get this shit off here without electrocuting myself. Here's another one. Whee! Here we go. Those soldering jobs aren't very good. Not very good. Not a very good soldering job. This is why I lose a finger. I'll take this off here. I always cut myself doing shit like this because I don't wear gloves. Sharp Objects is my middle name. Sharp Objects is my middle name. Come on. Come on. Ouch. Got stabbed right there. Stab it, stab it, stab it. Let's see. Yeah, there's that. Where's my first scripts? These are my cheap buy scripts. My no name's probably Walmart brand, but I don't know whatever brand these are. Like I said, if you don't stamp your name in it, then you won't know who the hell made them. There we go. This is where I get jolted. Put my gloves on. This whole video is about me tearing batteries apart. No, I got another little thing I'm going to share with you in a second here. And I like trying to reuse stuff. No, I'm not trying to reuse old batteries. That's not the point of this. I just want to take it apart, see what the hell's in here. So there's a bunch of cells that look like that. And like that. That glued on. And there's a little More bobber on there. Much more crap. So we got 1, 2. Oops. 3. Pretty much 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. And there's what? This one? 19, 11, 12. I don't know. I'm not counting them all. Anyway, there's that one. Take this part here. Stuff comes off pretty easy once you figure out how you're doing. There's that one. There's that one. The solder isn't. The solder, but the welds on these things are not very good. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. There we go. See? Up and down, up and down. If you don't take shit apart, you'll never know what's inside. It's good for the kids. Maybe not. Maybe not have the kids take batteries apart, but take anything apart. Old toys, whatever. And break it open. I'll do something. So anyway, there's that. Now we've got all that demolished. This, I'm gonna find a place to recycle. And this thing, they're like little, I don't know, like Dewalt boats. I'm trying to figure out what I could do with these, but then I thought about them, like, you know, if I just leave them like this, if I just cut that at the bottom, I could probably use them for screws. Put them on my shelf. Like you always, I tried using the Chinese food containers, and the newer ones get cold, and you drop them, and they just shatter like glass. They're so cheap and crap. But I got 2 of these so far. And there should be another one somewhere else. And they're like, I mean, they're molded plastic. I've dropped these batteries several times. Plus they fit. You could store all my batteries in them. No, it's just, they're crap. All the Chinese food containers. But if I take this off here, keep that on there, just leave it. If I just leave it the way it is, still no hole in it. Leave the little clippity-dippity thing on there. And yeah, it becomes a little receptacle for, because I always have like a thing on my counter here. I put screws in, I sort through, and I chuck the rest. So that's probably what I'll do with them all. I'm always worried these old things are going to catch fire. And I'm always wondering what the hell's in these things. I know there's a nickel and cadmium in here. Somebody should be good at mining this crap. So I'll put that in a bag and dispose of it properly. And the rest can go in the trash. The rest can go in the trash. Come on, off the battery. Here we go. Yeah, oops. There we go. This off of there. Ta-da. Other battery. Let's take this off. So yeah, if you get bored, I always try to think of stuff to do with things, because, like I said, my problem is the chinois food containers these days are crap, and they basically fall apart on impact. Oh wait a minute, I forgot to do this. Look at that. Take them all apart. They're in cardboard containers. Who knew? Who knew it could be this much fun? Okay, get that one out. This one come out. Oh, let's get the top one. Oh, that's boring. Won't come off. That's boring. So I can take all my stuff here, like this. Garbage in there. Garbage in there. Just put it all in here and then throw it in the trash. Anyway, if that wasn't boring enough for you, I don't know what it was. But anyway, like I said, don't forget to like, subscribe, click all kinds of buttons, and come back and join my channel. Thanks for watching.